TRM Samsung Experience Store. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy A04s, and we find the improvement from the previous Samsung A03s. The Samsung A04s, which comes with a 24 months warrant that covers any manufacturer defects. And let's unbox it and see what comes in it and how the phone looks like. Then there's a SIM slot ejector pin, and that's all. So we put this aside and proceed on. Samsung Galaxy A03s only supported up to 64 GB worth of storage, while there is an improvement on the Galaxy A04s which supports up to 128 GB worth of storage. And you can also expand the storage using the external storage like SD card, which can support up to 1 terabyte. For security, you can either opt to use the side-mounted fingerprint, face unlock, PIN or pattern. So basically the changes that have come with the Galaxy A04s is the adjustment on the camera, refresh rate, charging speed, and the improved storage. Still, the Galaxy comes with the 5000 mAh of battery, which gives you the longer period of usage.